Hello, my name is Amar. Today's tutorial we're going to see how we can properly ragdoll a character. We're going to see how whenever we hit the character turns towards us, and we're going to make sure it's network replicated. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join my website where I'm making my own game with the team, and also please join the Discord and also share this with your friends and family who want to learn how to use Unreal Engine. I'm new to this. I'm trying to find best possible way to explain things, but please bear with us and let's hope you enjoy the video. Let's get started.
So the first thing which we'll be doing is, like as you can see, let me show it to you. When I grab a weapon, we like go to this character and we are slashing it, and it's like the ragdoll is just very stiff. It's not looking good. So for now, let's fix that. So to fix that, we are going to go to our sandbox character under update health. What we're going to do, we're going to remove this. Actually, no, let's skip this. We can add this another feature called set collision profile name. So the target we can keep mesh, and the value we can keep ragdoll. And let's give it a try first. Oh, I think I know what's going on. We need to go to our mannequin, click on this one, and generate all bodies, and yeah, like save it. Let's now check what to do. So now that would simulate physics in all of ragdoll. See, now it has ragdoll. Now as you can see, the ragdoll looks very finicky. You can adjust the value here by like clicking on them to them all, and if you select them all, you can see like the stiffness, weight, and everything. I'll let you guys fool with it, and in the comment down below tell me what did you guys have done. And also, like, you can play with these values and all, and yeah, but that's one way of ragdolling the character. So the next thing which we will be focusing on, once like we'll try to make sure whenever we hit the character, it kind of turns and rotate towards us. So let's see how can we do that. So for that to happen, we need to go to our light attack. So the things which we need to make changes are in, let me just close this all unnecessary stuff. So the thing which we need to focus is on two places. First is when the character is performing light attack, and when the character's hit reaction as well. So let's bring these two things up, and we are gonna tweak some values to see how it's a bit of a math we're gonna do through Blueprint. So what's going on here is we don't need even activate ability. We can use another function which helps to get the gameplay ability directly. So the best function is to use is event activate ability from event. Let's remove this. Oh, you know what? Let's just skip this. I just want to see for debugging. So this contains event data. Event data is more like those similar data that you get from break it event, but it's not what it is. And it does have a lot of options where it kind of handles gameplay ability direct. So what we are going to use is the instigator here. So now we need to remove this, because if we do not remove this, it's not going to compile like. So let's remove this and let's connect this to this, and yeah. So this is still not going to work because we're activating the ability. The reason why we can't still use this because we are activating ability by the tag, and we don't need that for in this case. So for that, I'll go to my light attack. So let me just show you. Let me first break this, and I'll get a function and send gameplay event to actor. So now this is going to bind with the hit reaction. Now for the payload, we can get the break event from from payload we can get make gameplay event data. So now this gameplay event data has instigator, and what we'll be using is this instigator value, and we need to bind them. For now, don't worry about these all stuff. So now let's add an event tag. It's the same React tag as that one. Yeah. And instigator is gonna get a VA avatar actor from, yeah, that's the one, because we are trying to we can call it this one. Fine. Also here we're going to use the same thing, React Katana. So under React Katana we get an event data which gets the avatar actor from our actor info, which is in our sandbox. I don't think so we need this because the abilities are called. So now we go to our class default setting and we're gonna get the ability trigger. We are gonna go with React Katana. So to just make sure that what is here is also in these. Let's see whether the hit reaction is working or not. That's pretty key here. Let's run, grab our sword. I'm gonna change the layout soon. I think so. I have not binded this to this. The actor element should bind with the actor. Let's see. Yeah, now it's working. Yeah, so this is a bit technical issue. So now let's get to hit reaction sword. So now let's get back to hit reaction katana. Here we're going to do some simple math. Like to rotate. So the first thing which we'll be doing is we are gonna get avatar from actor from actor info. Then we are gonna get actor location. We are also gonna get another one, but this one is gonna be binded to the instigator, and we're gonna get find look at rotation, which is gonna get the rotation where it needs to rotate to. Then we're gonna get the root component, and we are going to get move component 2. So this move component needs to go here because first the animation should happen, then it should execute the turn in. For actor location, we want to keep the location where it is. For the rotation, we are gonna split this, and we're gonna split this, and we want the z-axis, and let's just ease in and out. We put the over time, let's just increase the value to 0.5 to make it a little bit nicer. Again, these values you can tweak as per your needs. So let's give it a try. See, so now we need to kind of replicate this thing properly. So let's work on that one as well. So now we want this ability to be network replicated. So for that, let's just first create a new ability. For this one, I'll just keep a very simple name, GA. I'll just put my name. So I'm gonna now, in this one, I'm gonna create a new function called just custom event, actually, not function. And we're gonna name it SendGameplayEvent. And we need to get SendGameplayEvent to an actor. We get them to the function, and now just we again, remove them. Now we Control-C, Control-V, change the name. Again, let's just click on this. We copy this name, we go here, we put instead server 1. It will compile now, yeah. You just have to compile it again. For this, we can put multicast. No, not multicast. Run server. So in this case, once we call this event, it doesn't matter wherever we call it, this event will be executed. And let's just again Control-C, Control-V this. We are just gonna copy the name, not the name as it is, but like just change some version of. name letters. So this one is gonna be Control C, multicast. This one is gonna be multicast. Let's compile and save. What is the error? Just put this over here and we can get something called has authority. This also targets the gameplay ability. Now we're gonna get this one, send multicast. Now we bind this to this, this to this, and this to that. Now this will replicate if to all the server. Now if it's false, we go this one. Again the same thing. If it's false, we'll run this to the server. Again, we just copy paste same thing to this one. Payload. We don't need this. Then this one comes to this one comes to this one comes to this, and this one comes to this. Here's the issue. We need to call that one to, yeah. Let's add send gameplay event replicated, where it binds to the actor. And for the event tag, let's add React Katana. And for payload, let's add this one. And we don't actually need this one no more. So there is some issue in the I think so. What we gotta do here is I can see there is an error going on. We are gonna copy this and paste it to our character. Now the thing which we need to do here is under the class settings. We can see that this is not for us, that we have implemented 3 interfaces. We're gonna create another interface. We'll keep this one ActivateAbilityFromEvent. Now we're gonna name this one as send gameplay event replicated. So we need all the replicated function of the like actor, event tag, and all. Actor, yeah. Let's get them. So the inputs are 1, 2, 3. Actor, then event tag, payload. So actor, of course, it's gonna be actor. It's an object reference. It's gonna be gameplay tag. The payload is gonna be gameplay event data. Now let's go to our BP sandbox character, and we are gonna add ability system. We can put this under a category if you want. Where is our, yeah, let's now let's use this one. So let's just copy them. So let's just copy this and bring this here, and we copy this and bring this here. So now what we do, we get this thing, this event called switch has authority. Then first we get send gameplay multicast. If it's remote, send gameplay event server. Make sure you keep them reliable for both. Now let's compile and save it. And if we go to our this one, let's delete all of this. These are all unnecessary. Now we call that interface. Now this interface is gonna call all of those events, and we're gonna get avatar actor from info. Oh no, it's a message. We need to get. Yeah, we need to get the message. Sorry. And we bind them all and bind this to this. We compile and save. What's up? Yeah, everything is working. Could be the issue. The code looks here really messy. Needs to be fixed. So yeah, now the code is fixed. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. And yeah, this is how you do it in Unreal Engine 5.6. Thank you very much. Take care.